So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a price prediction update in the market for ICP. Currently, the market has gone against our original idea of looking for the market to go higher relatively quick. I mean, we did a price prediction on the 29th of May. The next day, hit our TP area, but I wanted to talk about something that kind of lets me think that the upward momentum in ICP is not over. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my information and videos that I do produce here on this platform. Also, I recommend that you guys tap that bell notification so you guys don't miss out on my videos that will be posted on this platform as well. So let's break this down real quick and then I'll let you all go because I know your time is very valuable. Now, the price prediction that we did, like I said earlier, was on the 29th of May. And the next day, the market in ICP ended today down 9%. Now, we had this area right here in ICP as a buy pocket, right? We created this area and said, look, we definitely need to see the market in ICP hold this buy pocket. Well, apparently that didn't happen. And the market rather found buyers right here around $4.80. So that's one thing that we did not get correct in our analysis for ICP. We should have added another buy pocket into the market for ICP down here. Okay, so apparently there was a buy pocket in this particular area in ICP. This is on the 1 hour chart. Let's see if we can get it a little bit cleaner on the 5. So this is where the market in ICP ultimately decided, the buyers ultimately decided that it's going to buy the crypto at this area right here. Okay, so this is what it looked like on the 1 hour chart. Okay, here's a quick look at this on the 330. And the market confirmed the buyers off of this 300-minute price bar. Look at the volume as well. It definitely came through on this 330. And ever since then, the market's gone higher. Okay, that's one reason why I think that this upward momentum in ICP isn't over yet, is because that the sellers on this particular day did not capitalize off of that monumental move to the downside, because the next day the market in ICP went right back up. And that wouldn't happen if the market truly was weak in ICP. However, we can tell that there's been bouts of selling hitting this market in ICP like that. So we got these 3 days. We have this day here, May 12th. We have another day, May 23rd. And then we have a third day, the 29th of May. So definitely there's been hits in the market in ICP. Someone's been hitting this cryptocurrency. And they're trying to either offload their positions or they're trying to impact all the other buyers who's trying to move the market up. Now, the crazy part is that when they do hit this market, I'm talking about the sellers, when they do hit this cryptocurrency, the market in ICP doesn't react negatively to it. It's like they're happy that the market is going down and they want to come in and buy more because they suspect that it's cheap and they suspect that the market is still aiming for higher prices. That's what we received on the 30th and then the 31st of May. The market saw that as a buying opportunity. So one thing we needed to do is actually lower our stop loss. So that's what we're going to do here first, because I don't think the market here in ICP is bearish. I don't think it's exactly that weak, but we may just be consolidating too. So we might not see price in ICP go higher, but at least it can be stable. We can see the market just consolidate and trade within a range. Okay, we can definitely see that happen into the market in ICP. And as time goes on, I may actually lean into that and think that this cryptocurrency may just consolidate. Now, I'm going to pay attention to the price action in ICP alongside this downtrend line. Okay, we're almost there now. And if we see another rejection right around this downtrend line, then again, we need to let this play go. And we might hit a loss of like 4, maybe 5% or so on this prediction, and then anticipate another move to the downside. Now, before we actually think that, let's look at the market in ICP on the 2. Okay, so you guys can see right here that we didn't get the follow through from the sellers off of that 2-day price bar. The market should have gone lower, but instead the next 2 days the market in ICP went right back up and the price bar closed higher than the prior 2-day bar close. Here it is on the 3. Pretty much the same story is being told on the 3-day chart. Sellers didn't capitalize off of that weakness. Instead, the buyers capitalized from it and the market went up. Here it is on the 4. Take a look at ICP on the 5. Okay. So this story isn't finished being told on the 5-day, but it pretty much resembles what the 2 and the 3 was telling. Market closed on the low on this 5, but currently we're seeing the market close at the high. We still got a day and 13 hours left, but it's pretty much telling us the same story, the same picture. Here it is on the weekly. ICP on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3, 5, and then for the month of May. Okay, so yeah, there's definitely some weakness for the month of May in ICP. So this upward momentum that we're anticipating is going to continue in ICP. It may get stopped right here. So we're going to make that into a sell pocket. Okay, so we're going to identify that as a sell. And we might just, once that price hits that area, just let the market go. Might break even, might get a little profit potential out this move, but we definitely need to be cautious of this area right here. I would say around $4.40 to like $5. I'm sorry, $5.40 to $5.60. So yeah, as of right now, I think the answer is going to be told in ICP either on this downtrend line or this sell pocket. So definitely over the next couple of days, keep your eyes keen on those areas. Currently, I'm kind of mixed to see whether or not the market is that bullish to break through this trend line to the upside or this sell pocket to the upside. We'll just kind of have to wait and see. Due to this area right here being such an inundation point for sellers. Okay, because I would say from this time period, these trading bars was opportunity for buyers to continue to move the market up, and they didn't do it. Okay, so you guys can kind of see that the buyers established a point to where they was willing to buy right there. Okay, so when the market generated what, 8.25% loss on the 23rd of May, the buyers in the next 6 days did not capitalize off of that move and continue to move this market higher, which lets us know that they kind of got scared, or they ran out of money, or something else, because they didn't perform. The buyers did not perform, and that's when the sellers came through on the 29th and then the 30th of May and took control of the price. So at any given moment in the market, someone is trying to gain control of the price. It's either going to be the buyers or the sellers. And that's why I'm kind of torn to say that ICP is going to go like berserk and go completely crazy and do a monumental run higher. I don't see that, all because of what they've done, the buyers have done over the last month or so. Yes, they've been supporting and not allowing the sellers to take full control of price, because every time there's a bout move to the downside, those buyers immediately come in and support price, but they don't hold price. That's something that we need to see have happen, is for the buyers to hold price, control it, and continue to push the price up. That's something that I just don't see right now. So that's why I'm really paying attention to what price does at this downtrend line and or at this sell pocket. That's where we're going to get our answer at right there. Okay, so that's where I'm at. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.